so first off, guys, so would you go? Imagine if you would, somebody came knocking at your door one day, be now, be in the future, doesn't really matter, and they said that they have a spaceship and they want to take you to go colonize a different planet. Would you go? Kind of open, just kind of think about it as we go through this. Well, NASA was challenged with this, and NASA and 3 other countries actually teamed up, and they built Cassini. All right. Cassini was a drone that explored Saturn and its moons. That was its primary mission. Cassini was actually launched in 1997, 8 months after my birthday. So throughout the years as she made her discoveries, I grew up watching her discover the Titan and all these other things that she went on her missions on. Let's see, she proved Einstein's theory of relativity. She discovered a Titan, which is a moon of Saturn that's really close to our atmospheric properties. And she also, her final mission was to record as much data of Saturn as she could. She paved the way for space exploration for different, reasons, going to the moon or, maybe even finding another planet. So she proved Einstein's theory of relativity. The theory of relativity discussed by space.com in very layman's terms is you have an object in space and the time and space around it warp around the object. And how they proved it with Cassini is they sent radio frequencies around the sun back to Earth, and they studied those variances in the frequencies and proved that the theory of relativity is a viable theory. In the book published by Princeton University called Titan Unveiled, Ralph Lauren and Jacqueline Mitten discovered that Titan was a planet, one of the moons of Saturn, is named Titan, has atmospheric properties very similar to ours. It has various dunes, oxygen in the atmosphere, kind of like Mars, not as abundant, but very similar. And then here we have pictures of the methane lakes and the dunes that were first discovered. These were actually photos as she was touching down of the various dunes and the methane lakes. And then finally, unfortunately, Cassini last month had to embark on her final mission. In April of this year, it was decided that Cassini was running out of fuel, and they had to do something about it. So they wormed their way out to take this photo, one of the last photos of Saturn that was going to be taken. And by about September, they were able to weave her back to the atmosphere of Saturn, where she would eventually just crash and burn up in the atmosphere. Yep, so from the launch, helping prove different discoveries, proving different theories, Cassini paved the way, and future generations can now have the opportunity and the findings that she contributed to go out and explore space. And the best words to end this would be "To Infinity and Beyond" by Buzz Lightyear. Thanks.